Ready to dive into the world of crypto trading? Today, we'll show you exactly how to create a Bybit account, step by step. First, head over to the Bybit website. You can find the link in the description below for easy access. Look for the prominent sign up button, usually located in the top right corner or center of the page, and give it a click. You'll be presented with a registration form. You can sign up either using your email address or your mobile phone number. Enter your preferred email address or mobile number in the designated field, and then create a strong, secure password. Make sure it's a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. You'll also see a field for a referral code. Using a referral code often gets you some extra perks or discounts, so if you have one, now's the time to enter it. You can find our referral code in the description box below. Before proceeding, carefully review the Bybit terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've read and understood them, tick the box to confirm your agreement. After accepting the terms, click the sign up button. Bybit will send a verification code to the email address or mobile number you provided. Check your inbox or phone for the code and enter it into the verification field within the given time frame. And that's it. Once your verification is complete, you'll be redirected to the Bybit platform. You're now ready to explore the platform, complete your KYC verification, and start trading. Happy trading!